everyone, I'm Piper and where's Pinky? Pinky! Have you... Pinky! You're late! Get out of the elevator now! Pinky, get out of the... Now you've broken it! Come on, in the elevator. Come here. Get out! Thank you, elevator. Go now. Bye. Ugh. Well, today, me and Pinky have got some Beanie Boos, and we just want to show you. It was from I don't know. I don't know what day it is today. Anyway.
Today it's the 12th of September.
Thank you. You didn't need to add the pushy off of the cliff thing. No. So, let's...
Hey, you're not supposed to be there yet. Get out.
Pinky, who's that? Is it...
You know the new Beanie Boo.
Oh, yeah. Right, so let's first introduce the
elevator broke,
the
guys.
first random Beanie Boo.
The elevator broke.
Yeah, you broke it again.
No, one of the Beanie Boos broke it.
Well, come up the stairs.
Oh no, just pause the video. Pause the video.
Pause the video. What? Hi guys, we're back and yeah, well, that has been, the elevator's broke. So let's start off with a different one. First one we got is Nora. Nora, you can stand back there. It came a bit closer. And the second one we got is Avery. Nora, you can... Avery. And then the next one we got is Henna. You might think this one looks a bit like Awesome, but it's actually called Henna. Oh, sorry. And then, last but not least, a duplicate. So, I named him the cutest name ever, Cheesy Puff! Hello, I'm Cheesy Puff. I hate you! You're so rude, you're so mean. Ugh. Guys, I think I might need to move these Beanie Boos, some of these Beanie Boos, except Cheesy Puff, off screen right now. Pause the video! So, Cheesy Puff is a duplicate of Kenya. They're twins. Just Cheesy Puff, I customized only a tiny bit, and it has a little necklace. And Pinky! Yes, Pinky. Dreamy! And we got Dreamy as well. I love Dreamy. Isn't he cute?
I love Dreamy.
So,
You don't love Dreamy. I love Dreamy.
go away!
Dreamy
I'll push you off the cliff
Dreamy
soon.
loves legs. Go and watch Billy Boo's Welcome to the Fun House if you haven't already. Dreamy loves legs.
And so there's Dreamy in the elevator.
news.
There's Dreamy in the elevator.
Got news. I got news.
Shut up!
But I got news.
Yes, you can say that afterwards.
Okay.
Wait, what news? Wait, pause the video. I need to see what news she's got. Press play. This is playing! Pinky, stop being an idiot!
Guess what, guys? There's no longer two Beanie Boo collections. There's one big Beanie Boo collection.
Woo!
With Shazzies.
The sharing started
Shazzies.
today, and so yeah.
And guess what? We're getting a lot of Beanie Boos on Monday. Yay!
And on the 30th of September, maybe. That's a big maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. Stop it! I want to say maybe. Ouch.
You're fat.
Yeah.
I'm an
Yeah.
owl.
Yeah.
You just punched my claw. You have a hole through your heart.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
No, your claw can't do that.
Yeah, but literally you do. Look, your tag is through your hat.
Oh,
I don't have a tag.
you have stitches.
Do I? Where?
Because she's stitched together.
You have stitches too. Anyway, stop fighting. Let's go to the banana.
Pinky, say bye then.
Bye.
Now go. Go, go, go. Go. Yeah, yes, cry. Okay, thank you. Pinky is gone.
Pause the video.
No. I hope you enjoyed this video. Ow! I hope you enjoyed this video.